Okay, exercise 182, page 460, question number 9, part A and B. These are both to do with two other standard integrals, so you need to hand the table of standard integrals on page 458, which no one really remembers, and so I look at it just as much as anyone else does, and we can see in part A, cot 2t cosec 2t is very like number 6. Cosec ax cot ax is just minus 1 over a cosec ax plus c. So that's the one we're going to use here. So this equals 5. So the a in this example is 2, so it becomes minus 1 over 2, or over 2 cosec 2t plus c. I can take the minus a half and multiply that by 5 to get minus 5 over 2 cosec 2t plus c. These standard integrals, of course, the fun later on is getting your standard integral, or your integral, to look like one of these standard integrals here using trigonometric identities and so on. And we'll see some of those methods later on next year. But once you've got it in this form, then it's just a case of looking at the standard integral, which we've just done, to arrive at a solution. So we're just looking at the last part of a process of doing an integration. Let's look at part B. So similarly, we might have got some solution to look like this, which is a standard integral. So we look at our table of standard integrals, and notice this one looks like number 7, sec ax tan ax equals 1 over a sec ax. So this equals 4/3 sec 4t over 4 plus c. And we can see here that the 4's cancel top and bottom, so we're left with 1/3 of sec 4t plus c. So these two questions really are just about recognizing standard integrals and that we can use them.